They had no idea where they were going.
Oh, hello. Who are you? And where am I?
It's 1886.
But then who will test it anyway?
We'll go now.
So they test it? No, you test it.
You test it.
No, you test it.
Oh. Guys, where are we?
Better get back to 2021.
Two amazing facts. Number 1, I knew about 6 languages. And number 2, I had 4 husbands.
What? Where is everybody? Are you guys hiding again? Ooh, a button. No. Yes.
Wait, what's this? A button? Oh, but it says do not press this button. But I want to so badly. Just do it, Kenny. Just do it. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh, nothing. Ah, okay.